5 common foods that lowered my blood pressure just like pills. I used to wake up every morning staring at my blood pressure pills, wishing I could live without them. Then something changed. I turned to my kitchen instead of the pharmacy, and what I found shocked me. 5 everyday foods lowered my blood pressure just like pills. Like, subscribe for more natural remedies and share. Someone you love might need this hope today. The fourth one will amaze you because it was the surprise hero. Now, let's reveal the secret foods. It began with oats, just a bowl every morning. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a special fiber that helps relax blood vessels and reduce bad cholesterol. Slowly, my numbers began to drop. My mornings turned from medication to nourishment. Next came bananas, simple, sweet, and powerful. High in potassium, bananas help the body flush out excess sodium, one of the biggest triggers of high blood pressure. One banana a day became my natural defense. Then I filled my plate with leafy greens, spinach, ugu, and scent leaves. They're packed with magnesium and nitrates, keeping the arteries flexible and strong. My meals became my medicine. Garlic was the surprise hero. I began crushing a clove a day into my stew. Its allicin compound helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. My readings dropped naturally. And finally, hibiscus tea, or zobo. Deep red, naturally healing. It works almost like prescription drugs by relaxing the arteries. 1 cup a day, no sugar, just life. My healing didn't come from a capsule, it came from a kitchen. Oats, bananas, greens, garlic, and hibiscus tea became my silent healers. If your blood pressure is rising, start with your plate. Nature has already written the prescription. Like, share, and subscribe. Someone you love might need this hope today.